morning everybody. So in this class we solved some more problems on total derivative and differential. So in this we have if W is equal to f of xy, where x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, then show that dou w by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square into dou w by dou theta whole square is equal to dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square. Okay, so this is a very important problem. So if w is equal to f of xy, x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, then show that dou w by dou r square plus 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square is equal to dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square. So this is a problem. Now we solve this problem. So what is given? W is equal to f of xy is given. Okay, then x is given as r cos theta and y is r sin theta. Okay, so first we find this dou w by dou r, right? So now while differentiating, dou w by dou r is equal to, so dou w by dou r means what? Differentiation of w with respect to r, correct? So here what happened? W is a function of xy. W is a function of xy. So first we differentiate w with respect to x and then x with respect to r. This is by total derivative formula. Okay, so that is given as dou w by dou x into dou x by dou r plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou r into dou y by dou r. Okay, so this is dou w by dou r. So now we find dou w by dou r. So first we dou w by dou x as it is. Okay, then we find dou x by dou r, then dou y by dou r. Okay, so x is given as x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. So dou w by dou r we differentiating, so it is given that x is equal to r cos theta. So dou x by dou r means differentiation with respect to r keeping theta as constant. So cos theta is constant, differentiation of r with respect to r is 1. So it is equal to cos theta. Similarly we find dou y by dou r. Okay, so y means y is equal to what? R sin theta, correct? So y is equal to r sin theta. Now differentiation dou y by dou r is equal to sin theta as it is, differentiation of r is with respect to r is 1, so that is equal to sin theta. So with this dou w by dou r becomes, okay, so this is dou w by dou r. Dou w by dou r is dou w by dou x into dou x by dou r. Okay, so this is dou w by dou x into dou x by dou r, it is cos theta, then plus dou w by dou y, correct, here. So this is dou w by dou y into dou y by dou r. So dou y by dou r is sin theta, sin theta. Okay, this is dou w by dou r. Next we find dou w by dou theta. So using the formula, dou w by dou theta is equal to dou by dou x into dou x by dou theta plus dou by dou y into dou y by dou theta. Okay, so now we know that x is equal to r cos theta. So we differentiate dou x by dou theta. It's equal to r as it is. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. Next, dou y by dou theta. So y is given as r sin theta. So dou y by dou theta is r into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. So therefore, dou w by dou theta, substitute all this here in this equation. So this is dou w by dou x into bracket dou x by dou theta is minus r sin theta plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou theta is r cos theta. Okay, r cos theta. So, or in other words, we can take r common. We can take r common. So that is dou w by dou theta is equal to, we take r common from these two terms. So then what we get when you take r common, minus dou w by dou x into sin theta, then plus dou w by dou y cos theta. Cos theta. This is dou w by dou theta. Okay. So with this now, so now what we obtain, dou w by dou r is equal to, so this is already we found. So what is dou w by dou r? So this is dou w by dou r. Okay, so I will write once again, dou w by dou r is equal to dou w by dou x into cos theta plus dou w by dou y into sin theta, right, into sin theta. Now squaring this, so dou w by dou r whole square is equal to, this is dou w by dou x cos theta plus dou w by dou y sin theta squaring. Okay, squaring, we get this equation. Okay, so now applying this a plus b whole square formula. Okay, applying a plus b whole square formula. So what we get, dou w by dou r whole square is equal to, okay, dou w dou r whole square is equal to, apply a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is dou w by dou x whole square cos square theta, this is a square, plus dou w by dou y whole square sin square theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 dou w by dou x dou w by dou y sin theta then cos theta. Okay, right. Next what we do, what we need, so we have to show that dou w by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square is equal to this much. Okay, so now to do that, already we found dou w by dou theta, next squaring that and dividing by 1 by r square. Okay, dividing by r square. Okay, so this is dou w by dou theta. Okay, now squaring this one. So dou w by dou theta whole square is equal to, okay, again this is dou whole square means this is r square. Okay, again this is what, a plus b whole square. So in bracket minus dou w by dou x sin theta. Okay, plus dou w by dou y cos theta, dou y cos theta whole square. Now this is a minus b whole square formula. So into bracket a minus b whole square. So take this one as a and this one as b. So dou w by dou y whole square cos square theta plus dou w by dou x whole square sin square theta minus, okay, minus 2 dou w by dou x dou w by dou y sin theta cos theta. Okay, close the bracket, right? So here what you have to do, you have to apply a minus b whole square formula. So this is a, so a square, okay, I have written here a square plus b square, this is b square minus 2ab, so that minus 2ab, okay, minus 2ab. Okay, next is dividing throughout by r square, dividing throughout by r square. So divide by r square, we get here 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square. So when we divide this by r square, this r square get cancelled. Okay, so that we get dou w by dou y whole square into cos square theta plus dou w by dou x whole square into sin square theta, okay, dou w whole square into sin square theta, then minus 2ab dou w by dou x dou w by dou y sin theta cos theta. Okay, so now we know dou w by dou r whole square. Adding these two, call this equation as 1, right? Then this equation as 2. Okay, so now adding 192, we get dou w by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square is equal to, okay, is equal to, when we add these two, so here this is dou w by dou r whole square. So in this case here cos square theta is common, and in bracket what we get, dou w by dou x whole square plus dou w by dou y whole square, and here also sin square theta is common, and dou w by dou x whole square, dou w by dou y whole square is common, right? And then when adding this plus 2ab minus 2ab get cancelled. Again dou w by dou x whole square plus dou w by dou y whole square is common, we can take that. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So here, so by adding 192, we will get dou w by dou x whole square plus dou w by dou y whole square, and here we take cos square theta common. Okay, so here we take cos square theta as common, then plus again same thing, dou w by dou x whole square plus dou w by dou y whole square, and here it is sin square theta is common. So again in both the terms, dou w by dou x whole square plus dou w by dou y whole square is common, and in bracket we left with sin square theta plus cos square theta, so which is equal to 1. So which is equal to dou w by dou x plus whole square plus dou w by dou y whole square, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So which is equal to, now actually what is w? So w is equal to what? F of xy. Okay, so replace w by f here, so which gives dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square. So this is the required proof. Okay, so this is another problem on a total derivative and total differential. So in the next class we solve some more problems on this. Thank you.